gradime kulturu, gradime svitovi, eksplodiramo sa naših teh statičnih tela i we are burning their house down.
Благодарам што сте овде за нас речено, многу ми значи. Инаку ова изложба е било некоја истражување кој што веќе долго време со ова одржина во правиме.
Абе, нема пете што да ме држи. И немамо што да се срамам. Абе, сакам да разбалам, да врескам, да пцујам и да колнам пишталиви материна, ѓубриња едни, себето да ви се сотре, рацете да ви се изушат. Но пред да се изгаснат светлата, и струја кофе вода. За да ги извади преку ној сите бојни на житото. Од модро сино до лимоново жолто на површината на својата кожа, како градина во пролет. Гаси. Крај.
Jova rarely talked.
Dushko? Well, Dushko had rough hands, and it landed like Mickey's backhand.
I made sure I held you close to me, so call out my name. Call out my name when I kiss you so gently. I want you to stay.
Here we all are this evening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and those of us clever enough to have transcended gender. Yes. Yes. The reason that you're here tonight is that the whole of your lives has been leading up to this moment. Yes. There's no accident. And if you're sat next to somebody who you've never met before, please just turn to them and say, "At last we meet. At last."
Professor Yasmina Tumbas is a professor of contemporary art, history and performance studies and director of graduate studies in the Department of Global Gender and Sexuality Studies at the University of Buffalo.
But before I start, I also wanted to say that I should explain that I was born in Vojvodina, in Subotica, to a Hungarian mother and a Serbian father, but that my family left for Germany when I was 7 years old. So I finished my German Abitur in Germany, and then in 2001 I went to the United States and I did my BA, my MA, my PhD, and then I got a job offer and I just stayed. I went by myself, my family stayed in Europe, but that also means that I really lost, the Yugoslav and Hungarian.
What do you think about the contrast between that and, for example, artists, as you mentioned, like Lepa Brena, people who fully accepted that?
I read her memoir, even audiobooked it, which she reads herself, so that was also very interesting.
Give me explicit content, give me a life, give me no fear, give me more, give me more, give me more of
Koncept okvir малку тука го гледаме послободно во пошироки рамки.
And now, let's give it up for the 10th edition of Skopje Pride Weekend.
ولا ليرة ولا بدكم مين سلطنة وش بدكم
ديك بدق عالباب وانا تحت الحاف مع البلكون جيرتي دبري عريس احصائيات اغلب الازواج بتنامش على نفس الفراش مع الايفون سيري ظبطي عريس
Well, we will see how this evening will develop and how our lovely audience. Come on, give a round of applause to yourselves.
Can't you hear my